Giddyup Grill Cleaner review, legit product or scam? So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Giddyup Grill Cleaner. Is it legit product or scam? So first of all, Tech Times reports a 4.97 by 5 average across US, Canada, UK and Australia, praising its stainless steel powered roller LED light and cold grill safety. And Amazon videos and Walmart reviews generally confirm stronger, cleaner performance, calling it a very effective solution tested on TV and by the consumer medias. And the key features are bristle-free rotating chainmail head, like 350 RPM stainless steel with flex force action, and USB rechargeable, like ergonomic grip, built-in LED spotlight, and dishwasher safety parts, and cold grill use eliminating burn risk, and rules by wire bristle hazards. And the pros are safe and hygienic, no wire bristles, dishwasher cleanable, head prevents bacterial buildup, and fast and effective, and multi-surface compatibility like gas, charcoal smokers, flat tops without scratching. And the cons are mixed user experience, like some Walmart reviews mentioned metal burns and sub-bar cleaning. Reddit grilling forum users remain skeptical. Looks like it would last about 3 days then break. And the price concerns at $70 to $80. $70 to $88 on the official website, and $79.99 on Amazon, and significantly more expensive than traditional brushes. Durability over time remains unverified. So if you ask me what I suggest about this product, so I'll just tell that highly recommended for anyone prioritizing safe, hygienic and efficient grill cleaning, but manage expectation on longevity and cost. So let me give you some tips before buying. So start with a 30-day money-back window offered by manufacturer. Read Amazon, Walmart reviews for insights or durability, like this one. Here are all the reviews you will get to know. So 53% is 5-star rating, 4% ratings are 19%. So you can also check for Walmart and see the reviews. And then you can consider cleaning the device head regularly to prevent burrs and compare to less expensive brushes if you are budget conscious. So the Giddyup Grill Cleaner is a legitimate, well-designed tool that solves real problems safely and effectively. But at a high price point, it's ideal for serious grill users, families, or anyone who grills frequently and prioritizes safety. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.